Om Shanti. Good morning. Today 7th August 2020. Om Shanti Babdada Madhuban. Essence. Sweet children, follow Srimad and show everyone the way to attain liberation and liberation in life. Continue to do this business throughout the day will give you the chance to get liberation and liberation in life. Question. What subtle things has the Father told you which you have to understand very clearly? What are the subtle things? Answer. Number 1. The golden age is the land of immortality. There a soul leaves one costume and takes another costume. However, there is no mention of death, and this is why that is not called the land of death. Golden is not at all called the land of death. Second point, Shiv Baba's creation is unlimited, whereas only you Brahmin are the creation of Brahma. At this time, one can say Trimurti Shiva, but not Trimurti Brahma. The Father has explained all of these subtle things to you. Think about all of these things are prepared for your own food, for your intellect only. These are all knowledge are the food for your intellect. Om Shanti. Then today's essence for dharana. We, the new creation of Brahma, are brothers and sisters. This has to be understood internally. There is no need to speak about it to others. We are brother and sister. But it has to be understood eternally. Always mention the happiness that Shiv Baba is teaching you. Number 2. Do not give too much importance to food and your drink. Renounce greed and remember the happiness of the unlimited sovereignty. So, essence for dharana, do not give too much importance to food and drink. Give importance to your unlimited sovereignty. And today blessing, may you become a conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment, Mayajit and Mohajit, by discovering yourself from all relationship with Maya and making a deal of having all relationship with the Father. Baba is telling, blessing, may you become a conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment by divorcing yourself from all relationship with Maya and making a deal of having all relationship with the Father. Now, cancel and old deals in your awareness and become single. You may remain cooperative with one another, but not as a companion. Make the one your companion and divorce Maya and all her relationship. You will then remain a victorious conqueror of Maya and a conqueror of attachment. If there is the slightest attachment to anyone, then instead of becoming an intense effort maker, you will just become an effort maker. Therefore, no matter what happens, continue to dance in happiness. Death to the prey and happiness for the hunter. Death to the prey and happiness for the hunter. This is known as being a destroyer of attachment. Those who are such destroyer of attachment become beads in the rosary of victory. They will become the beads in the rosary of victory. विजय माला की दाना बन सकते हैं. Slogan. Increase the sparkle of the diamond with the speciality of truth. increase the sparkle of the diamond with the speciality of truth. With the speciality of truth qualities, you can increase the sparkling brightness of your soul diamond. Om Shanti.